This is the first one that you guys have done so far?
Yeah, I only got one done before I had to leave.
I think it's gonna look good.
The paint, low-key, is like, it looks really flaky, or, you know what I mean? Like
Kind of like rough or
coated.
what?
Yeah. Gritty, there you go.
Gritty.
It looked good in the garage, and then like, well, fuck it though.
What's up guys? Welcome back to another video again. Today we're painting some Conse's black because we were curious on what it would look like on Max's car over here. Max, what are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Wilbur? What are you doing?
None of your business. So, he got tired of the silver on silver, so we're gonna paint these black and we're gonna see what it looks like. I wonder why it went out so early though.
I don't know either. I just heard a squeaking one time. Remember when I told you? When we were driving? Well, not me driving, but I heard a squeak when I was driving. Ever since I lowered the car more.
You know, I bet if you post this in like the Subaru Facebook page, they're gonna be like, it's because you have all that camber.
Oh, but look at these hands. I don't know why it happened. Maybe because ever since I lowered it more with the uppers, that's when it started doing it. But I don't know.
Oh well, hopefully this new one will do good though.
Yeah, I mean, we didn't have to do all this.
PP.
Oh, PP, what's up, bro?
Damn.
Hey, but the question is,
You want to test it?
why is it not spinning though? Is it in gear? That's why.
Damn.
Fuck that shit, man.
How long did that take you guys?
Well, he came like 30 minutes ago. I came here at, I don't know what time, like 11, 10. Still not done.
Ooh. That's hard.
Hopefully this looks good with the brakes.
That's hard.
I mean, honestly, man, fuck that shit. Ain't going nowhere, bro.
Did you pee?
Oh hell no, dude! I thought that was.
Why did you just go in the
It
house?
was blocked. You locked it. I had a pee-pee. So I had to freaking pee in a corner in the bottle.
Why is your pee so yellow?
He's dehydrated.
I drink a lot of soda, bro.
You better piss rocks.
Hey, chill. Alright, run that center cap though. Can't run it without no Senny.
You want the red or the brown? You want both? Try both.
I'll try both for you. Yeah, let's try both.
These stupid
Put my
bitches.
rusty ass lug nuts on here. Dude, look how rusty these are. Don't buy it from O'Reilly's, bro. Alright. What do you think will look? I think they'll both look good,
They
but
both look good in their own way.
yeah.
To be honest, these turn more orange now though from the sun. So they were red.
Where's
Orange.
look?
So there's black. Oh, yo, black is gangster.
Yeah.
Ah!
Oh! Why do you keep dropping them? Hard.
Yo.
I think you asked me if you wanted to.
Fuck, this is a tough decision. Not gonna cap. Not gonna cap. I don't know, boys. What you could do?
Oh, we have to see it on the floor.
Try
when it's tucked.
try this wheel on that since the caliper's bigger in the front.
Dude, black looks kind of crazy though. I don't know, Alan. I kind of like both, but I like the black. But the red looks good too.
For one red, one black on each side.
Oh.
Say your wheel was right.
But it does look good though.
I think the black looks more classy, but then red is like boom, like.
Oh yeah, it's like boom. Like it looks gangster,
Yeah.
but black looks like, I don't know, like NBA young boy, I don't know.
What the fuck? He said NBA young boy. Check these out. What's up, guys? 9 a.m. Saturday. Me and the homies are gonna head out to a car meet about an hour away. It's supposed to be pretty cool, so let's go check it out. But first stop is the gas station because we all need to get gas, and that's gonna be our meetup spot, and then we're gonna cruise out. Made it to the gas station. Gas is so expensive right now. Why is this allowed? Why? 65 bucks? I guess it's not that bad for almost being on E.
Chris! Hello.
Hello, brother.
My little brother.
Hello, brother.
Oh.
Jam, if you're watching this, he's representing IDGAS on the GR.
Ooh. Oh, that's hot. Should be alright.
Hopefully this will keep me awake. Sir, you can't use this gas pump.
Man. I'm putting half tank gas in right now.
Time to head out with the gang. Look at all these people. At the car wash now, we're gonna wash up the cars, and then after this, head out to the show. Car is super filthy. You can't really tell on camera, but there's bugs everywhere on the front bumper, and then it's also really dusty. Anyway, let's wash this up. Just made it to the car meet. Now we're gonna register the cars. Weather looks like it's gonna rain. Hope it doesn't though.
Bro, the clip rose, man.
No way. Dude, that's how mine is too.
Dude, my whole shit came off right here. Look.
Is it just hanging now?
Yeah.
Fuck. Max broke his side skirt. I ripped a turn signal harness on the way here. Static life.
There you go, partners. Missing parts.
This guy wants to be in the vlog.
Yeah, I'm a big fan, you know?
What's their Instagram?
Subaru_club_2018.
Who's busy?
Hey, we gotta get all the endless.
Endless. And we just put these in our front windshields.
Oh yeah.
I'm the only like stance car here. Well, Max is here as well, but there's no other stance cars.
What about me? I'm like halfway there.
Yeah, I guess he's pretty stance car. But yeah, I'm gonna go around and look at the cars, and then I'll get some shots of some of my favorite cars here.
Yeah, we're not winning.
Just got tuned into it. Yeah,
Starting to rain. No way. Raining. This is why I have a wing, so I can hold my food. We left the car meet like an hour ago, and now we're gonna get some food. Right?
Yeah.
That road or that road? Both are bad.
too, baby.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ordered some sushi.
I got the what did I? Oh, the yum yum roll.
Yum yum roll.
Should sound kind of crazy. Look, nothing.
Ooh.
This one I heard is that eel, but eel's so spiky.
There you go.
You know, there's a game to this where you stick your chopsticks between it, and whoever pulls it and it breaks.
No.
Like put it between. Whoever breaks it loses.
No.
Rusty? Yeah, bro. What do you want? Hold on. See this? Wait. You gotta do that one geisha you do, bro.
They're gonna fit the game.
I was waiting for you.
Combination rice bowl. So we're gonna start heading back home now. I'm not sure how this vlog turned out. If it's not long enough, I'll continue it with another one, but if I don't, catch you guys later. Just got home. That was a crazy ass drive home. So, story time. I was driving home on the highway. There was a cop. He was following me. He was eyeing me down really bad. And at the same time, I thought my car was dragging something. So I took a quick turn to go to the back road to kind of hide from the cop and check out what is dragging under my car. And this cop decides to follow me for like 5 minutes straight, like on my ass. So I keep going. I get caught up in the storm, and it's starting to rain. I had my windows down because I had my front windows down because you're not supposed to have front tint in Iowa, and I didn't want to roll it up and give them a reason to pull me over, because otherwise everything else on my car is 100% legal with Iowa and whatever. It's just the window tint. Anyway, it follows me for like 5 minutes straight. I don't know why, but then it ended up pulling me over. Stupid. So I went through all these small Iowa towns, and if you have been to Iowa or the Midwest in general, you know that small Iowa towns are like pretty sketchy and like dark at night. Mind you, it's raining, it's stormy. Car has like -7, -8 degrees of camber, and that doesn't really go well with rain. So car was like swerving all over the place. I'm driving a stance car, and my car breaks down. I have no one to help me. Anyway, raining super hard, and finally made it home. That's like a watered down version of the story, but yeah.